everyone, this is Mishra, the angelic healer and the spiritual mentor from Divine Healing. Today I am doing this short video to share my experience with a wonderful crystal called AURA QUARTZ. So I will be sharing few of my experience regarding this AURA QUARTZ. If you resonate, then definitely have it at your place. So before sharing my experience, I want to share how to work with a crystal energy. Once you purchase a crystal, first you have to wash it with salt water or smudge it. Then you have to pour your intentions for what you want these crystals to work with you. So you have to pour the intentions. Once you pour the intentions, the crystals get activated. Then on regular basis, connect with that crystals through meditation or just by holding it and talking to it. And repeatedly making it aware about the intentions you have poured inside the crystal. Then slowly it will start to work with your energy field and you will definitely get the exact effect of that crystals. But after purchasing or just by clearing it and putting the intentions, if you keep it inside the cupboard and you won't touch it or won't use it, then you can't experience its property. To get the best result of a crystal, you have to interact with it on daily basis. You have to hold, you have to affirm, you have to play with that. Be funful with the crystals. The more you interact with a crystal, that energy will reflect within your energy field. So this is the way one can use a crystal or can experience the beautiful effect of a crystal. So I am going to share my experience with this wonderful crystal. This is AURA QUARTZ. It is transparent and it reflects rainbow colors. If you will expose it to sunlight, you can definitely see various rainbow patterns inside these crystals. So it reflects rainbow colors. As the name says, it is AURA QUARTZ. Yes, it is a celestial being. It really works as a celestial being. When you start working with this crystal, it's really bring a protective shield around your auric field. You feel more balance. It cleared all your 7 chakras, bring mental stability. You will automatically start to feel much more balance and calm within. Number 2. As the name says, it is AURA QUARTZ. Yes, this crystal enhances your psychic ability. If you will start working with this crystal and start doing your meditations, you will definitely get connect to the psychic world. You will get connect to the angelic realm, your spirit guides, and to the unicorn energy. I am sharing as per my own experience with this wonderful crystal. So, holding it, putting the intentions, right intentions to raise your vibrations and to connect to the angelic realms, to your spirit guides. When you do it on regular basis, automatically will start to get beautiful signs from the universe. Isn't it wonderful? Yeah. The next benefit I have experienced with this crystal, this is really a high vibrational crystal. Using it, holding it, wearing as a pendant, wearing as a bracelet, it really lifts your vibrations, keep you in a state of joyfulness, keep your mind, emotion in a stable way. You feel much more balanced. It brings mental clarity. Create a optimistic thought process within you. Next, this is a crystal much recommended for the persons who is going through depressions or anxiety or carrying certain fearful patterns within. By using this crystal on regular basis, it brings clarity to your mind, raise your vibrations to the state of joy and happiness, slowly dissolve the depression's patterns from your mind. It brings clarity. It's really brings clarity. And those depression, you get depressed and you get connected to some wrong patterns and you step into certain wrong situations in your life which makes you feel more drained. But by using these crystals, it's really provide you a protection. It will make you away from such peoples or for such situations which won't be able to drain your energy. Right? Then the next. It is called as Healer's Crystal. It is definitely, I will recommend for all the energy healers and doctors. During the healing practices, during the healing sessions, if you wear it as pendant or hold it within your hand or decorate your ambience with angel aura quartz, it lifts the vibrations of that space as well as of the healer. And in the same times, when the healer interacts with her client, it also lifts the vibrations of the clients. Same with the doctors. Doctors always introduce themselves with pain and suffering on the daily basis. If you carry angel aura quartz to your workspace with yourself, then definitely you will meet your patient with a state of joyfulness. This will lift your energy as well as you will reflect this to your clients, to your patient. Next, angel aura quartz is the crystal of heart chakra. When you start regularly connecting to the energy of this crystal, you start to release resentment, you start to get relief from grief, and your emotional levels start to bounce back from pain to the state of joy. Next, angel aura quartz is is a wonderful crystals to help you to bring harmonious vibes in your relationship. When you start to work with this crystal, you will behave from the place you will become much more compassionate. You will start to behave much more mature in your relationship. You will speak from the place of much more maturity, more understanding, more compassionate, and it will reflect in your relationship and within you. Last but not the least, it very much helpful for pregnant women during their morning sickness. When you will start to work with this crystal energy, it calm you, bring joy, lift your vibrations, and you can go through the challenges of pregnancy. Also, it has been said this crystal belongs to Atlantean period. During Atlantic age, the priest and the priestess used to carry these crystals to their prayer place and use it in their healing rituals. So, no doubt, it is an ancient celestial crystal. So overall, this is a crystal which brings stability within us, balance our emotion, keeps us emotionally fit, raise the vibrations to the state of joy and happiness, balance all our chakras, and help you to feel much more joyful and connected to the source energy. This is the way we can balance our energy throughout the day. Isn't it a wonderful blessed crystal? There are many more experience I could share, but I shared the major experience with you. So hope you like this video, and very soon I will be sharing many crystal stories and their experience with me. Hopefully it will help you, and if you resonate, definitely do like my video and do have these crystals at your place. Namaste. Thank you.